Hi guys, today I will show you how to install brand new Redensa Jailbreak on your iOS 17.6 running iPhone. Search Jailbreak iOS 17.6 install Redensa using a Safari browser. Now tap on Download Redensa. The Penguade store will be installed on your device prior to Redensa. Open the Penguade store. Then select Jailbreak Solutions. Here you'll see the Redensa on top of the list. Tap on it. Let's see how to install Cydia 2 Package Manager using Redensa. Go to Redensa and tap on Install Apps, then select App Managers. Copy the code of Cydia 2. Then open the iTerminal and give the command install. Now paste the copied code. It's time to experience the jailbreak features with Cydia 2 Package Manager, which gives you amazing tweaks, themes, games and much more.